Welcome to awe-inspiring channel.
Generative artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly evolving field that has the potential to revolutionize various industries and transform the way we create and interact with content. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, generative AI enables computers to generate new and original content, ranging from text and images to music and even entire virtual environments. This article explores the concept of generative AI, its applications, and the implications it holds for the future of creativity. Understanding generative AI. Generative AI refers to a class of algorithms and models that are designed to generate new content that resembles existing data. Unlike traditional AI models that are trained to recognize patterns and make predictions, generative AI models are capable of creating novel content by learning from existing examples. These models employ techniques such as deep learning, neural networks, and probabilistic modeling to generate content that is both coherent and original. Applications of generative AI. Text generation. Generative AI models can create realistic and coherent text based on input prompts. This has applications in various fields, including content generation, creative writing, and chatbot development. For example, OpenAI's GPT-3 model can generate human-like text by predicting the next word based on the context provided. Image synthesis. Generative AI can generate realistic images from scratch or modify existing images. This has implications in areas such as graphic design, video game development, and art. Deep learning models like generative adversarial networks, GANs, have been successful in generating high-quality images that resemble real-world objects and scenes. Music composition. Generative AI models can compose original music based on existing compositions and styles. These models can learn patterns and structures from a dataset of music and generate melodies, harmonies, and even entire musical pieces. This technology can aid musicians, composers, and filmmakers in creating unique soundtracks and musical compositions. Virtual worlds. Generative AI can be used to generate entire virtual environments, including landscapes, buildings, and characters. This has implications for video game development, virtual reality experiences, and architectural design. By utilizing generative models, developers can create vast and immersive virtual worlds that feel dynamic and realistic. Implications and challenges. Generative AI holds immense potential, but it also poses certain challenges and ethical considerations. Some of the key implications and challenges include intellectual property. The issue of intellectual property arises when generative AI is used to create content that resembles existing copyrighted material. Determining ownership and rights can become complex when AI systems generate content that blurs the line between originality and imitation. Bias and ethics. Generative AI models are trained on existing datasets, which may contain biases and prejudices present in the data. If these biases are not carefully addressed, the generated content may perpetuate social inequalities and reinforce stereotypes. Misuse and disinformation. Generative AI can be misused to create realistic but fake content, including forged images, videos, and text. This raises concerns about the spread of disinformation, fake news, and the erosion of trust in digital content. Human creativity and authenticity. While generative AI can create impressive content, there is an ongoing debate about whether it can truly replicate human creativity and produce content that is genuinely original and authentic. The future of generative AI. As generative AI continues to advance, it holds great potential for transforming creative industries and enhancing human productivity. Researchers are constantly pushing the boundaries of generative models, aiming to improve the quality, coherence, and diversity of generated content. By addressing the challenges surrounding bias, ethics, and authenticity, generative AI can empower creators and augment human imagination, leading to new forms of artistic expression and innovation. Conclusion. Generative AI represents a significant,